Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change time zone on Slack application using your mobile device. To change your time zone on Slack, launch the Slack app open on your mobile device and sign into your workspace. Now once you're in the home page, go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Once you're in, tap on Preferences. Inside Preferences, scroll down and tap on the time option. You can now go ahead and toggle on the button right next to Set Time Zone automatically. If you prefer to set time zone manually, turn off this option and your time zone will be determined by your device's setting. If you want to enable this option that allows Slack to automatically adjust your time zone based on your device's location, you can turn it on. Now you can select if you want to use 24-hour clock or 12-hour format and get back, and from there you will be able to change your time zone on Slack mobile. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.